Elevate your content and safeguard your creations by mastering transparent watermarks in Capcut. First, open your project in Capcut if you haven't already. Import the video you want to watermark. Tap on the text option from the bottom menu. Now type in your desired watermark text. This could be your name, your brand name, or anything you wish to be displayed. Customize the font and style to match your brand. Choose a font that's legible but not overly distracting. Drag your text onto the preview screen and position it where you want your watermark to appear. A corner is usually ideal for subtle placement. This is the crucial step for transparency. Select your text layer and find the opacity slider. Drag this slider to the left to significantly reduce the opacity, making your text semi-transparent. Next, adjust the duration of your text layer on the timeline so it spans the entire length of your video clip. For a more professional look, you can also use a logo tap on sticker. Tap on the upload or icon to import your logo image. Ensure your logo has a transparent background saved as a PNG file for the best results. Similar to text, position your logo on the preview screen and use the opacity slider to make it transparent again. Aim for a subtle effect. Make sure the logo sticker runs for the entire duration of your video by adjusting its length on the timeline. Once you're happy with the placement and transparency of your watermark, you're ready to export your video. And there you have it. A subtle yet effective transparent watermark, protecting your content and reinforcing your brand identity. Capcut Watermark Brand Protection.